Portuguese port wine chocolate mousse for 6 servings. Prep time 30 minutes plus 2 hours chilling. Ingredients for 6 servings. 8 ounces chopped dark chocolate. 1½ cups heavy whipping cream. 3 large eggs, separated into yolks and whites. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons port wine. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Chop 8 ounces of dark chocolate into small pieces on a cutting board, about 2 minutes of chopping. Place a heatproof bowl over a saucepan with an inch of water and bring to a gentle simmer over low heat. Keep on low for about 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons of port wine to the bowl and stir until the 8 ounces of chocolate melts into a smooth mixture, about 3 to 4 minutes, then remove from heat and let cool for 2 minutes. Separate 3 large eggs, placing yolks in one bowl and whites in a chilled bowl, and refrigerate the whites until needed. In a clean bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1/3 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until pale and ribbon-like, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of the warm melted chocolate to the yolk mixture to temper, stir for 30 seconds, then slowly pour the tempered yolks into the remaining chocolate while whisking to combine. Beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt until soft peaks form, about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high speed. Fold 1/3 of the whipped egg whites into the chocolate to lighten the mixture, using a rubber spatula, then gently fold in the remaining whites until there are no white streaks. Chill a mixing bowl and whip 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream to soft peaks, about 2 minutes on medium speed. Gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture in 2 additions, keeping the motion light to preserve air and volume. Spoon the mousse into 6 serving glasses, smoothing the top with the back of the spoon so each portion is even. Lightly dust each portion with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, then place the glasses in the refrigerator set to 40 degrees Fahrenheit and chill for at least 2 hours. When ready to serve, remove the glasses from the refrigerator and optionally offer extra port wine on the side for tasting, about 1 tablespoon per serving. Final tasting and closing. This completes the recipe. Serve the mousse chilled and enjoy. This completes the recipe. Enjoy and serve. For more Portuguese recipes like this port wine chocolate mousse, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.